Hey guys, welcome back. So monthly update again. It's time for a walk through the shop. So in the dirty area we're stripping the RC28. It's almost 100% stripped. Then we'll ship it to Germany for a full water blasting. Got two donor cars here, a 3.2 and a 2.7 with the 3.2 engine. I'll also take you to the back, show you a bit more behind the scenes. We've done a lot of work on our warehouse. We built a frame where we can stack engines. This is at the powder coater now. Hope to have it back somewhere next week. A lot of storage for all the cars. So you can see RC23, RC28, all the new parts are here in stock. So once the car comes back from paint, we can just take the rack, put it next to the car and we can start assembling everything. Works really well for us, and this way we can logistically work in an easy way. So as I told you last time, I sold my ST. This is now in Switzerland, so we only have the silver gentleman's racer here, keeping this, but we're gonna do some upgrades this winter. Taking the engine out and spice it up a bit. Then RC26 is back from the water blasting in Germany. Full water blast, also cool process to show you guys this. We'll go a bit more into this also in a different video. Take it down to bare metal, blast everything off the undercoat so we can see every rust issue if it has anything. And this car is pretty good, has a few things, but I'll show you in a different video. And then the secret project, which was before in the other corner. I'll tell you more about this later. This will go to paint soon. It's a special project for a good friend of mine. He always dreamt of a 911 from a certain area, so we're gonna build him a very cool car. And then the Targa, of course, it's almost done. Electric is done, fuel, everything, brake lines, engine is in, doing the last details on the interior, and then almost ready to go to the owner.